Hello everyone and welcome back to Smart Learning English channel. Today you will listen to a real-life English conversation. This conversation will help you improve your English listening skills. Before we begin, thank you for watching. If you enjoy this lesson, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment. All right, let's begin today's conversation. Hey Dave, are you hungry?
Yes, very hungry. I didn't eat lunch today.
Really? Why didn't you eat lunch?
I was busy working, and then I forgot to eat.
Oh no, that's not good.
Yes, now I'm very, very hungry.
I can hear your stomach.
Hey, that was not my stomach.
Are you sure?
Okay, maybe it was my stomach.
Let's go to a restaurant.
That sounds like a great idea.
Do you know any good restaurant nearby?
Yes, there is one just around the corner.
Is the food good there?
Yes, very good. And the burgers are amazing.
Oh, burgers sound perfect.
I knew you would like that.
Walking to the restaurant. Look, there it is.
Wow, it looks nice.
Yes, and it smells good too.
I can smell the fries.
You're always thinking about fries.
Fries are important.
Important?
Yes, very important food.
You're funny. Inside the restaurant.
Hello, welcome.
Hello? Hi.
Table for two?
Yes, please.
Please follow me.
Thank you. Sitting at the table. This table is nice.
Yes, and it's near the window.
I like window seats.
Me too. I like watching people outside.
Are you people watching?
Yes, it's interesting.
Looking at the menu. All right, let's look at the menu.
Wow, there are so many choices.
Yes, it's hard to choose.
Everything looks delicious.
That's always the problem.
Yes, choosing food is harder than working.
Really?
Yes, work is easy. Choosing food is hard.
That's funny. What do you usually order here?
I usually order a burger and fries.
Burger again?
Yes.
You really love burgers.
Yes, burgers make me happy.
That's a simple life.
Yes, simple and delicious.
I'm thinking about ordering chicken.
Fried chicken?
Yes, fried chicken.
Oh, wow. That sounds good.
Do you want chicken too?
Maybe burger today.
Burger again?
Yes.
Funny menu moment.
Hey, Cindy, what is this word?
Which word?
This one. Grilled.
Oh, grilled means cooked on fire.
Oh, like barbecue?
Yes, exactly.
Oh, that sounds delicious.
Now you're more hungry.
Yes, very hungry.
Drinks discussion. What do you want to drink?
I want orange juice.
Fresh orange juice?
Yes, fresh is better.
Good choice.
What about you?
I will have iced tea.
Nice. Iced tea is refreshing.
Yes, especially on hot days.
Today is very hot.
Yes, I'm thirsty too.
Hungry and thirsty.
Double problem.
Yes.
Okay, Dave, are you ready to order?
Almost.
Almost?
Yes, I'm still thinking.
You always take a long time.
Because everything looks delicious.
That's true.
Hello? Are you ready to order?
Yes, we are ready.
Yes, I think so. What would you like?
I would like fried chicken, please.
Sure. And I would like a burger. What kind of burger? What do you recommend?
Our beef burger is very popular.
Okay, I will take the beef burger. Would you like fries with that?
Yes, of course. You love fries.
Yes, fries are my favorite. What about drinks?
I will have iced tea.
And I will have orange juice.
Okay, 1 iced tea and 1 orange juice. Thank you.
Thank you.
Your food will be ready soon. Now we wait. Yes, waiting is hard when you're hungry.
Very hard.
You look very serious.
Because I'm thinking about food.
Always thinking about food.
Yes, food is important.
Do you usually eat at restaurants?
Yes, sometimes.
What do you usually order?
Mostly burgers.
Of course.
What about you?
I like rice and chicken.
That sounds healthy.
Yes, but today I want fried chicken.
Today's a cheat day.
Yes, cheat day.
Hey, Cindy, look at that table.
Which one?
That one. The man has a huge burger.
Wow, that's a big burger.
Yes, I want that one.
Maybe next time.
No, maybe today.
You're very brave.
Oh, look, the waiter's coming.
Yes, I see the drinks.
Good. I'm very thirsty.
Waiter brings drinks.
Here is your iced tea,
Thank you.
and here is your orange juice.
Thank you.
Your food will be coming soon. Ah, this juice is cold.
Is it good?
Yes, very refreshing.
My iced tea is good too.
Nice. Wait, where is my straw?
It's in your hand.
Oh, really?
Yes, look at your hand.
You're right.
That's funny.
I was too hungry to think.
Hungry brain. Oh, look, the waiter is coming again.
Yes, I see the plates.
I think the food is here.
Finally.
I'm very hungry now.
Waiter arrives with food.
Here is your fried chicken.
Thank you.
And here is your beef burger and fries.
Wow, that looks amazing.
Enjoy your meal.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Wow, this chicken looks delicious.
My burger looks huge.
That's a big burger.
Yes, I'm very excited.
Don't eat too fast.
I will try. Okay, I'm going to take a bite.
Wait, it might be hot.
No, it's okay.
Be careful.
Okay, here I go. Ah, it's hot.
I told you.
My mouth is burning.
Blow on it first.
Yes, good idea.
You didn't listen to me.
I was too hungry.
Hungry people make mistakes.
Yes, big mistakes.
Let me try my chicken.
Careful, it might be hot.
I will blow on it first.
Good idea.
Okay, now I try. It's very good.
Really?
Yes, very tasty.
That makes me more hungry.
You're already eating.
This burger is so big.
Can you finish it?
Yes, I think so.
Good luck.
Okay, big bite.
Careful, don't drop it.
Oops,
What happened?
some sauce fell on my shirt.
Oh no, not again.
You always drop food.
Yes, my shirt is always in danger.
Poor shirt.
Do you have a tissue?
Yes, here you go.
Thank you. Clean your shirt.
Yes, I'm trying.
Now your shirt looks better.
Yes, disaster avoided.
Food disaster. Do you like the fries?
Yes, they are crispy.
Let me try one.
Okay, take one.
Very good.
Yes, fries are always good.
You really love fries.
Yes, fries make life better.
That's funny. Wow, that was a good meal.
Yes, I'm very full now.
You ate everything.
Yes, not even one fry left.
You're a fast eater.
Because the food was delicious.
Do you want dessert?
I want dessert, but I'm too full.
That's always the problem.
Yes, my stomach is full, but my heart wants dessert.
Your heart wants dessert?
Yes, my heart loves cake.
That's funny. All right, let's ask for the bill.
Yes, it's time to pay.
Excuse me,
Yes?
can we have the bill, please?
Of course. I'm a little nervous
Why nervous?
because I ordered many fries.
Fries again. Waiter returns.
Here's your bill.
Thank you.
Let me see.
Is it expensive?
Not too bad.
That's good. Okay, I will pay today.
Really? Thank you. Yes, my treat today.
Lucky me.
Wait,
What happened?
where is my wallet?
Oh no, not again.
Just kidding.
You scared me.
Your face looked so serious.
That's not funny.
Okay, here is my wallet.
Would you like to pay by cash or card?
Card, please.
Please tap your card.
Okay, done.
Payment successful.
Great.
My wallet survived.
Yes, your wallet is safe.
Laving the restaurant. That was a very nice dinner.
Yes, I really enjoyed it.
What was your favorite part?
The burger.
Of course.
And the fries.
Always fries.
Next time, we should try dessert.
Yes, maybe ice cream.
That sounds great.
But next time you must bring more money.
Good idea.
All right, let's go home.
Yes, I'm ready to rest.
After eating so much?
Yes, eating is hard work.
Eating is hard work?
Yes, very hard work.
You're funny. Time for another lesson. Thank you so much for listening today.
Keep practicing your English every day.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.
See you in the next lesson.